Okay, so the proportion method of percent says is over of equals percent over 100. And then you take the two numbers, times them, divide by the other number. You might also, instead of saying is over of, say part over whole. Part over whole equals percent over 100. We can manipulate this equation a little bit, and I can say, hey, look, let's times both sides by the denominator, or the whole. When we times both sides by the whole, these wholes here cancel out. So then we're just left on this side with the part, and on this side we're left with percent over 100 times the whole. Well, the percent over 100 is just the decimal form of the number, of the percent. So you do the decimal form of the percent times the whole, and that will give you your answer, which can be a lot faster than doing a proportion method. So let's look at some examples. Our first example says you buy a pair of shoes for $40. The store charges a tax of 5%. How much money are they going to charge for tax? So we take the percent and we make it to a decimal. Divide it by 100, 0.05. We times that by the amount. 0.05 times 40 is $2. So the tax would be $2. The total cost, 40 plus 2, is $42. The second one, you want to buy a new TV for $2,300 and sales tax rate is 7%. What is the dollar amount of the sales tax? We start by taking that 7%, dividing it by 100 to make it a decimal. 7% divided by 100 is 0.07. Times, take that dollar amount of the item, $2,300, whoops, I just deleted that, times $2,300, and we get 0.07 times $2,300 is $161. So then for the total price, we would say $2,300 plus 161 is $2,461. Okay, tips, the exact same thing. Your family goes to Olive Garden for dinner. The cost of the meal was $52. The waitress does a really good job, so your parents leave a 20% tip. How much was the tip? You take the tip, you make it to percent, 20%, times $52. 0.20 times $52 gives me $10.40. What is the total cost of the meal after the tip? $52 plus $10.40 is $62.40. Okay, moving right along. Last Saturday I ate at a Thai restaurant. The meal came to $13, but service was slow, and I left a 15% tip. How much was the tip that I left? Again, take that percent divided by 100, so 15 divided by 100 would be 0.15 as a decimal, times $13. 0.15 times $13 is $1.95. The total cost of the meal after the tip would be $13 plus $1.95, which is $14.95. And you could round that to $15, very common to round with tipping. Okay, so now let's talk discounts with this method. Sure, it was $42, but was on sale for 25% off. I take that 25%, I make it to a decimal. Divided by 100, that's 0.25. Times by 42, and I get $10.50. Now on this one, instead of adding it, because it's a discount, I'm going to subtract 42 minus 1050. 42 minus 1050 gives me $31.50. Ticket to Lagoon costs $75, on sale for 20%. Take that 20%, make a decimal, 0.20 times $75, and that gives me a savings of $15. How much will the ticket cost? $75 minus the $15 means I'm actually going to pay $60 for the ticket to Lagoon. Markups. Store buys a bag of candy for $2. They want to mark it up 30%. How much will the markup be? I take that 30% markup, 0.30 times 2, 0.30 times 2, and I get 60 cents. So the total price, if it's a markup, we're going to add it onto the price, and they would sell it for $2 that they paid for it, plus the 60 cents that they'll earn off of it, for a total of $2.60. So it's a lot faster than doing the proportion method, but you do have to make sure to make the percent a decimal correctly, and then just times it by the whole. It works well if they give you the whole. If they give you the part, you have to do it differently. Have a good day.